If you have not yet filled US tax info in your Google AdSense account, and if you have a Google AdSense business account, then in this video I am going to show you a step-by-step process how to fill this information. Go to your AdSense account, and in your home page only you will find this notification manage tax info. If you are not able to see this notification, then click on this payment, and here you will see this notification manage tax info. So click on this manage tax info, then click on add tax info. Verify your account. So here we have two options to select from, one is individual and another is entity. So in this video I am going to show you how to do it for entity. So select this entity. Entity means you have a business AdSense account. If you have individual AdSense account, then you'll have to select this individual, but in this video we are talking about business account. So now here it is asking whether the name that you have entered in your Google AdSense accounts, whether that name is a DBA or not. So what DBA means? DBA stands for doing business as. Doing business as means, let's take an example. Here JP Morgan Chase Limited, it is a registered name, but a DBA name could be Chase only. So if you are in India, you can take this as an example. So Paytm is a brand name, and in India there is no concept of DBA, but you can think it like that only. So DBA is Paytm, but the registered entity name is 197 Communication Limited. So if your business has been registered with a different name and you are using some different other name as a DBA, then you will have to select this checkbox. After you select this checkbox, it will ask you to enter the registered name. If the registered name is a business, then you can select on this entity. If it is an individual, then you can select on individual. Here you will have to enter the registered business name. In my case, this name is a registered business name and this is not a DBA. That is why I will not select this, and I will click on next. Then it will ask you whether the registered business is incorporated in US or not. So if it is incorporated in USA, then you will have to select on yes. If it is not, then you will have to select on no. So I will select no because my business is not registered in US, and then I will click on this next. Once I will click on this next, then it will show me based on the above information what form I need to fill. So it is showing me 4 forms: W8BENE, W8ECI, W8EXP, W8IMY. So you can read this and you can select based on your business information. So I will select W8BENE because all other are not related to my business. So I will select this one, and then I will click on start W8BENE form. Now once I will click on this, it will take some time and then it will show me the form. Now it will show me this W8BENE form, and here the name of the organization is already filled. So if you are a DBA, then you will have to fill this also, but in my case I am not a DBA because my registered name and business name both are same. It is not a different name. Then I will have to select the country where the business is registered. So I will select the list from here. So I will click on this and then I will select my country, India. After that, there is option to select entity type. So click on this and then you can see here multiple entity type are being shown here. So based on your business, you can select any one from here. So in my case, this one is the suitable one. So I will click on this corporation. Now here it is asking me foreign TIN. So TIN stands for taxpayer identification number. If you are in India, then TIN is the PAN number. So if you are in other countries, then you can see if you go to this YouTube help page, then here it is mentioned. So in India, PAN is your TIN. If you are in Indonesia, then this is your PIN. So you can read it from here, and then you will have to enter that here. This US TIN you can keep it blank as it is optional. Then click on this next. Now you will have to enter the registered business address. So here it is giving you one more option to select this. So this is required if you have a personal PO box number. If you don't have personal PO box number, then you can keep this unchecked. Now enter the address here. Now if your mailing address and residence address both are same, then you can click on this checkbox. So it will not ask you for separately for the mailing address. So if your mailing address and permanent address both are same, then click on this checkbox and then click on next. So now here it is asking whether you want to claim the reduced rate or not. So in my case, I want to claim the reduced rate, and it depends on in which country you are. So if your country has tax treaty with US, then you can click on this yes. Then select this checkbox and then select your country. select this checkbox and this also. Now here it is asking limitation on benefits. So if you will click on this, then you can see multiple options are showing in the drop down. So depending on your business, you have to select one from this list. If you don't know your business belongs to which one of these, then there is one file. I will share the link of this file in the description. There you can read all this in detail and you can find your business belongs to which one, and then you can select based on that. Now after that you will have to select the rate of interest. So click on this checkbox and then select this one from list. Withholding rate 0%. Select this one. Again select this, and from drop down this one, and withholding rate 15%. Select this, and for this also select from the drop down, withholding rate 15%. Select this also, then click on next. Once you click on next, it will prepare the form and it will show you the final form. Now based on the information that you have provided, it has already filled this form, and then you will have to click on this checkbox to confirm. You can read this information again, and if you want to modify anything, you can click on this back button and modify that detail. Once everything looks fine, then click on this next button. Now here you will have to enter your full legal name, not your business name, your full legal name. And now check this one to confirm that you have authority to sign on behalf of the entity in this form. Then it will ask you to select whether your business has done any services for Google within US. So in my case it is no, so I will select this no, and then I will select this checkbox. And the last one is you have to select whether you have already received any payment from Google AdSense previously or not. So if you have already received any payment from Google AdSense before, then you will have to select this, that you have already received payment before. If you have not received any payment yet, then you will have to select this one, and then click on submit. After the form is submitted, it will show you the status of that form, and you can see here the status is approved, at what time and by whom, and how much percentage of tax deduction is claimed. Now you will be paying 15% tax on the revenue earned from the US viewer. Without this form, Google would be deducting 24% from the all views. So it's better to submit this form as early as possible, and the last day to submit this form is 31st May 2021. If this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe to our channel and share with your friend. From which country you are filling this form, please put in comment, and if you have any doubt, then please ask in comment. Thank you for watching.